Sarah is cracking me up. All right, so we're doing monomials, singular meals. Monomials. Okay, so monomials here at Crewton Ramone's House of Math with Sarah. Okay, now what are we gonna do? Well, let's just work on this one problem, because basically what are we doing? We're playing a game of find the one. Find the one. There you go. Okay, so here was the problem that was giving her a hard time, but now we realize it's super easy, right? Looks all complicated, doesn't it? But it's not complicated. Okay, so what we did is we figured out that we're trying to find the one, and we did a little work before this, and I drew a picture. So here is 3 to 5, but actually, could you take a pen and write in there 9 to 15? You could use the, yeah, inside, in there. Don't be afraid. Okay. 9, 15, right? That whole thing is 9 and 15. Yeah. Okay, so the one that we found, because you spent a little time and we talked about it, and you said, okay, well, what goes into both of them? Right, using kid speak, right? None of this common factor stuff. And okay, well, what goes into both of them is 3. So we figured out that we had to move that over by 3, and we had to move that over by 3. And if I did both of them moved over by 3, I got 15. But if I went the other way, which is what we did, we got 3 over 5, right? Good? Yep. Okay, so we found the one. The one here, in this case, was 3 over 3. Right? Yeah. Which is going to give me the equal sign, and that's going to give me what? When I reduce 9 over 15. That gives me
3 over 5.
Yes, correct. Alright, now we're going to play find the one. Look what we did over here. Woohoo! Right? So, because what this says is a to the 8th. Look, a. And then over here, b, right? And then down here is a, and then down here is b. Okay, so make the ones. Do it. Quick. She's all drawing pictures. Draw it over here. Ones. Give me ones. Make ones.
Okay, 1.
Yeah, right through. Don't be. I know you have this thing about mixing the pens. Don't be afraid of mix the pens. There's a 1. There's a 1. Do it. There's a 1. There's a 1. Okay, so those are all the ones we found. A over A is 1. A over A is 1. Oh, look, you did it before I could even. Okay, right? A over A. Okay, so and then B over B. That's a 1. So what are we left with now?
4 A's.
4 A's.
2 B's.
2 B's. Is there anything on the bottom? Oops, she's writing it down. Is there anything left on the bottom except 1? There's just 1, and you could put 1 there and 1 there, but that would be silly, wouldn't it?
Oh.
So, no, you're done? Oh. So you could put the 5 in the middle if you wanted to, but who cares? The 5 is fine where it is.
Yeah.
So it's 3A to the 4th, B to the 2nd over 5. That's it. We played find the one. Okay. You're done.
Yeah.
Easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Monomial is not hard when you understand what you're doing is playing a game of find the one. Little kids like to play this game because they like to draw this. Right? Finding the ones.
Yeah.
And when I'm talking about little kids, I'm talking about like 4 or 5-year-old kids, 6-year-old kids. It's fun to play find the one. And then here is her worksheet that she's doing in microscopic terms. Okay, right? And this is algebra. It's a test review. I am so impressed with you, Sarah, now that you have, it's amazing how far we've come. Because I remember when, anyway, if you watch the videos with Sarah, you can see the progress. Okay, so, and look, we're going to do this kind of stuff is not a problem, right? Graphing equations and all this stuff. Okay, but we still got to fool around with some more monomials because she's going to have questions like that, right? But it's easy. Okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to play a game of find the one. All right, say Crewton Ramone's House of Math. That'd be you. That's your. All right.